Hey guys, so today I've got a box to show you that is full of crystals. Now this isn't a monthly box or a subscription box or anything like that. This is just a little small business that sells crystals on Instagram. So unfortunately, if you don't have Instagram, I don't think this one is for you. But the shop is called Necromantic, and she does ship worldwide, and every other Saturday she does a live sale on her Instagram. So that is how you can buy stuff. So she goes live, she shows all of the crystals like up close and turns them around and everything so you can see them, and that is how you buy the stuff from her. She does also do a magazine as well, so that can be purchased on the website, so I'll put that down below, and that comes with a free gift. So she's got the magazine and then she's got the Instagram live sales. So she did write me a little sheet of what's in the box and what it's called, all its properties and stuff like that. But right at the top it just says, I always recommend people choose and use crystals based on intuition. For example, at night I look at my crystals and the one I'm most drawn to in that moment is the one I put under my pillow. You can then research its meaning and you'll always find that you've chosen exactly what you need. So she's basically saying you'd choose which ones you're drawn to, and she's put, the crystals in my shop are responsibly sourced from suppliers around the world. She has also put on each item where it comes from and stuff like that, so that's nice to be able to tell you. These are packed so cute. They're all in pink bubble wrap with little like holographic stickers and numbers on them, and each number is on the list. So we're just gonna go down from number 1. I have had a sneaky peek at a couple of these just out of pure curiosity, but I haven't opened all of them. So number 1 on the list is an agate geode, and it says free gift in pink bag, every order receives a free gift. So that is really cute, and this one is from Brazil. So it's got some little rose petals in here as well. Super sparkly. So that is what the agate geode looks like. It's got this like blue and white wavy kind of pattern to it outside, and then inside there is really glittery. I'll try and shine my phone in there to see if that helps with the sparkle a little. So that is the agate geode, little free gift that we got. So some of these do have really unusual names that I have never heard of before, so I could possibly say them very wrong, which I apologize for. I get a lot of comments when I say things wrong, like why didn't you research it first and see how it was pronounced, stuff like that. But I don't really want to Google it because then I'll see what the crystal looks like, and I've not seen a lot of these. I want it to be a surprise. So if I butcher this, I am sorry. I'm gonna write on the screen what all of them are called before I show you anyway. But number 2 we have is Lepidolite, and that one is from Brazil. So this is our number 2 little package, and it says that the benefits of this one are emotional healing, stress relief, and rid negative energy. Oh, that's super pretty. So it's kind of like a lilac-y lavender sort of colour, light purple, and it's got a silvery white shimmer to it, and it's kind of in layers as well. I'm not sure if you can really see that great on the camera, but it's like little sheets of this purple colour. So in the little notes bit for this one, it does say keep away from water and use sound or smoke to cleanse, and that it's delicate. So that is that one. Then next we have the biggest item in the box, which is this one. This one I did have a nosy at because I was just curious about what could be this huge. And this one is a Celestite, and it says that it's from Madagascar. Now this is literally beautiful. It's so pretty. I have never seen one of these before. and this is what it looks like. How amazing is that? It's literally so sparkly. It's got like a little like cave in there. Super, super pretty. Even the underneath like rock part of it is really sparkly. Amazing. Absolutely love that one. So the benefits of this one are cleanses your aura, connects with angel realm, and calm and gentle. So that is the benefits, and it says again, keep away from water, use sound or smoke to cleanse, and that it's delicate. So that is the little care instructions for the Celestite. Then next we have this one. Again, it seems like a pretty big chunk, honestly. And this one is Smithsonite. This one is from Mexico. So, oh, that's super unusual. I've never seen one like this before. This has, it looks like the top like layer of it is the crystally part. So all of this around here is like a clay sort of stuff. It's a little dusty, and then on top we have this baby blue like sheet. It looks really smooth, and like it kind of reminds me of the sea a little bit, as silly as that sounds. So like I said, this one is from Mexico, and this one is for tranquility. It strengthens relationships and it builds immune system. And it says can be cleansed with water in short bursts. So that one is our Smithsonite. Next we have a pink amethyst geode for number 5, and this one is from Argentina. I love knowing where these are from. I think that's really cool. Oh, it's in a little box. Oh, that's really cute. Okay, so it comes in a little cardboard box just to protect it. And this is what our pink amethyst geode looks like. Super, super sparkly. It's like a peachy colour on the outside. It's got more of like a round little cluster up here, and then down here is more of a spiky little point. I'll see if my phone makes it show up any sparklier. A little tiny bit. It shows up the pink a little better maybe. So this one's benefits are lucid dreams, balanced / aligned, and increase intuition. So that is very cool. And it says for this one it can be cleansed with water in short bursts as well. Then next, number 6 is a clear quartz point from Brazil. This one seems big for a quartz point. Wow, that is super chunky. So that is what that one looks like. So it does have some little like frosty bits down here and some inside and everything, but that is a huge clear quartz point. And for this one it says it's a master healer, it's for clarity, and it's for psychic abilities. And it can be cleansed with water, hold under a running tap to allow old energy to drain away. So that is the clear quartz point from Brazil. Then next, I was super excited when I saw this. I've always wanted one of these. This is an Angel Aura quartz cluster. This is from Arkansas in USA. And it says it's a high-grade clear quartz treated with precious metals to give the aura finish. Absolutely amazing. Like, I wish that I could cover myself in this. It's incredible. Like, look how sparkly and iridescent that is. Absolutely amazing. I don't even know which way I want to display that because that side is so glittery, but that's kind of like the base. So, so pretty. So that one, it says it's uplifting, stress relief, and connect with angel realm for that one. And it can be cleansed with water in short bursts. So that one is our Angel Aura Quartz Cluster. Absolutely love it. And then we've got 2 left. So we have a Spirit Quartz from South Africa. That is our number 8. This one sounds cool as well. I'm not sure what Spirit Quartz is, but it sounds pretty. Oh, it is pretty. So this is, I feel like this is very like feminine. I know that maybe sounds funny, but I just get a feminine sort of vibe from this one. It's like a really pale, pinky, purple, lilac kind of colour. The underneath is like a milky white. And it's super, super glittery. See if my phone makes it look nicer again. This light just sucks. I don't know if I need to get a new camera or a new light or what, but the colour on this just isn't good. So I apologise, but that is the Spirit Quartz. And for the benefits, it says cleanses your aura, access spiritual information and strong healer. So that is very cool. And this one can be cleansed with water. Again, hold under a running tap to allow old energy to drain away. So that is that one. And then last but not least, for number 9, we have a Peach Moonstone Palm. This one is from Madagascar. Its benefits are clarify emotions, protective and self-love. I didn't think I was going to really love this one, but it is super pretty actually. My light is causing that weird glow on it, but hopefully you can see it. It does actually have a bit of kind of like, I'm not sure I'd say iridescent, but it's got a weird kind of shimmer inside it. It's all these little like circles, which is super pretty. This side's more orange and this side is a bit paler. And for this one it says can be cleansed with water, hold under running tap to allow old energy to drain away as well. So yeah, that was everything from Necromantic. Like I said, I will put her website down below and also her Instagram as well. That's how you buy the crystals. Every other Saturday she does a live sale. These were incredible. Literally love every single one of these. I think my 2 favourites have to be the Celestite and the Angel Aura Quartz Cluster. These 2 are just amazing. Super, super sparkly and pretty. So these 2 are definitely the ones that I am the most drawn to, but you'll have to let me know which ones were your favourite in the video and which ones you felt the most kind of connected with. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.